Here I have Jaecoo 5 and let me show you how to cool down your hot car before getting in, so how to use automatic cabin ventilation. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to find and use the AC button right here to open the AC panel. Let's choose here the settings, and now we've got access to automatic cabin ventilation, an excellent comfort feature for hot summer days. When active, the vehicle monitors cabin temperature while parked. Before you unlock and enter the car, the system automatically uses the external intake vents to flush out stagnant, overheated air and circulated fresh air throughout the cabin, ensuring you don't step into a boiling hot interior. So I think it's one of the most useful things to do. Let me just leave it enabled. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.